To continue with the fifth section of the French Revolution, which is abolition of slavery. Now, France had its three colonies in the Caribbean region. One was Martinique, Guadeloupe, and Saint Domingo. These were the three colonies, French colonies in the Caribbean region, and France got its supplies of tobacco, sugar, coffee, indigo from these colonies. Now, there was shortage of labor in these colonies in this Caribbean region, and these French people wanted French people to go there and work there in these colonies to grow more and more tobacco, indigo, sugar, and coffee. But the French people were reluctant to go there. They never wanted to go to these far off places, so they were reluctant. Now, what the French businessmen did, they came in ships from these two ports, Nantes and Bordeaux, to this Africa, and from Africa, from the local chieftains, they brought slaves from the local chieftains. Local chieftains provided them with the slaves, and these French merchants tightly packed them in ships and transported them to this Caribbean region, to their colonies. These African slaves worked in these colonies as laborer, and there the French merchants sold them to the planters. The planters bought slaves from the French merchants and made them work in these colonies in this Caribbean region, in these three colonies in Caribbean region. Now they worked, and then these planters sold coffee, tobacco, sugar, and indigo to the French merchants, and then these essential commodities, these essential items reach the France. So you can see how a triangle is formed. Merchants traveled from these Nantes and Bordeaux to the Africa, and from Africa they bought slaves from the merchants, local chieftains, and from there they transported these slaves to the Caribbean region, and they provided slaves to these colonies, and in turn take the essential items like coffee, tobacco, sugar, and indigo, and took these essential commodities to France. So you can see a triangle is formed. So that is why this is called triangular slave trade. Triangular slave trade. Merchants came to here, bought slaves, and they gave slaves to the planters, sold slaves to the planters, who forced them to grow crops, and then they took those crops, those items, commodities to France. So this is called triangular slave trade.